Welcome to DanceGuru, a mixed reality dance game inspired by Dancing with the Stars. We're reimagining how people learn and experience dance. Here's how it works. Put on a MetaQuest headset and you'll be greeted by our charming AI instructor, who comes into your physical space through a portal, turning your living room into a dance studio. Learn real social dance styles like waltz, cha-cha, tango, and salsa, with step-by-step guidance designed for all skill levels. Don't have a dance partner? No worries. Practice with a virtual partner to perfect your routines. Then it's showtime. Step onto dazzling virtual stages, perform your choreography, get scored by virtual judges. Showmanship is at the heart of every great performance, so a dazzling wardrobe is essential. As you rise through the ranks in competitions, you'll unlock an ever-growing collection of costumes, each one letting you showcase your unique sense of style. Mix, match, and shine on the floor as you dance your way to becoming the next DanceGuru champion. The core gameplay loop is enhanced with social and gamified features. Multiplayer is coming soon, so you'll be able to dance and compete with friends around the world. One of the challenges in DanceGuru is designing a virtual dance partner that feels so lifelike and responsive that users can form a genuine emotional connection. This AI virtual partner is powered by on-device language model, capable of conversing naturally like a real dance instructor.
The waltz is a classic. We'll start with the basic steps, and I'll guide you through it.
It responds dynamically to your touch and gestures, using precise body, hair, and fabric physics simulation to recreate the sensation of dancing with a real human partner. This seamless blend of intelligence and physical realism brings an entirely new level of immersion to virtual dance. DanceGuru was born at the Meta XR Hackathon, where it was selected as a winning project. We were later invited to speak at Meta Connect to showcase our vision for lifestyle and immersive innovation. Today, we're proud to be funded by Meta's Lifestyle RFP grant and on track to launch in early access on the Meta and Pico stores by the end of 2025. Let's dance!